Oops. Hi, I'm Ethan Hall. I'm 13 years old and I'm known around the world as the Hiccup Kid.
Now listen closely to the things that I'm saying.
Back in 2015, I sang the national anthem at a Adelaide Bite baseball game with the Hiccups. The video story went viral. I've ended up with more than 3.6 million views on YouTube. Mum says that I've been hiccuping before I was born. So, yeah, I hiccup a lot. My hiccup video going viral was a backdoor entry into my career that I want, which is to be a famous singer one day. I love everything about music, the way it uses all of your brain, and yeah, music is magical. The song I am singing for my blind audition is a classical piece, and the last note in my song is held for a very long time. So I'm worried that my hiccups might come back. I really, really don't want my voice to muck up.
What is this? What did that noise mean? Oh.
That's what they say when I walk out.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What is your name?
I'm Ethan, I'm 13 years old and I'm from South Australia, Adelaide.
Ethan, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing.
Are you like, that's done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm shaking.
Yeah.
I mean, have you ever sung in public before?
Yeah, but not in competition or anything before.
Oh, you are the cutest human. Where have you sung?
Back in 2015, I sung the national anthem at an Adelaide Bite baseball game with the Hiccups. And
I swear I've seen this in a compilation of anthems. I swear I've seen
you
this.
probably have. I've had 3.7 million hits on YouTube or something like that.
Oh, okay. So talk us through it. What happened?
Basically, I had the hiccups on and off all day. I'm just a hiccupy person.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you now
I've
know
seen
how
this.
to handle your hiccups?
Yes.
What do you do? What do you do?
I pull down my earlobes whilst I scull a drink of water, and that gets rid of them.
I've heard that.
Wow. Page 10 of Google.
Very good. It's very
But really,
cool.
when you think about your career, you're now on The Voice, you look back at that moment, I mean, it's just a minor hiccup, really, isn't it?
Very good.
Oh,
Yes.
Ethan, talk to me about the song. Talk to me about the music. Tell me why you've chosen this route.
I like singing classical because it shows feeling and portrays a lot of emotion.
Yeah, and you really had feeling and emotion in that performance. It
Thank
was
you.
beautiful. I am so obsessed with you, and I just would love to have you on Team Rita.
Thank you.
Ethan, what? I mean, that was amazing. First of all, that was really
you.
beautiful, but it was really accurate, and it's not
Thank
easy
you.
to do. Like what you did was technically really tough because you're a soprano, right? And I guess how old are you now?
13.
13. Oh, some things may drop really soon.
he's got a plan to sing through that.
Have you?
Yeah.
I don't want my voice to break.
You don't want it to break. Oh, I remember
Yeah.
going through that. That's a real thing. I remember going through that, and your voice completely changes, and for a while it doesn't feel like your own voice. And especially when you're a singer, you think the world's over, but I can promise you, you will deal with whatever is thrown at you.
Thank you.
That was
Thank
really,
you.
really something special. And here's the thing about your voice, whether it breaks, how it breaks, all the rest of it. You said you love classical music because of the feeling. You don't lose that.
Yeah.
Your voice will be this vehicle and vessel that you can emote your feelings through, no matter what kind of voice you have. I know that's in you. So thank you for sharing that gift with us tonight. I would love to have you on my team.
Thank you.
Ethan, your voice is like super unique. I love your energy. Like, I just love everything about you. And I have no one like you on my team. So there's definitely a spot for you.
So,
Yeah.
here we go. You have a 4-chair turn, and you can go whichever direction you want. I would love you on my team.
We would all love to have you on our team.
The coach I'm going to pick is Jess.
How's Jess going to help you through the voice break?
Oh my God! I can't believe this! I can't
So nice.
believe this! Oh wow, you have made my day. You have absolutely made my day too. Oh, you're okay.
I'm just happy.
You're so happy. Yes, this is a celebration. Do you want to meet everyone?
Hi.
Ethan,
Hello.
you're officially now not just the Hiccups Kid anymore.
Yes.
You are Ethan from The Voice as well.
Fantastic, mate. Awesome. You did great. You got a great coach. And a free hat.
Team Jess, I love it.
Let's go meet your fan band. Yo.
Oh my God.
Don't.
What a little legend.
He's so polite. Yeah.
Oh, just the manners.
All right.
Thank
here
you.
we go.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. We'll see you soon, huh? See ya. Bye. See you later. Thanks.
Yes. Thank you.
Hey there, welcome to the end screen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications. See you next time.